Hi, this is Marlene, and this is my project for an exotic zoo animal. This is an albatross. I pretty much just modified the flamingo and made it look more like an albatross, which is a larger bird. It looks like this right here. The animations that I have on it, here are the ones that I have. Idle is just the wings moving, the head moving a little bit, kind of looking around. Death animation. Oh, come on, death animation. The bird just falls over. His neck kind of turns to the side a little bit. For the activate or yell, the wings flap and the mouth opens up to make whatever noise an albatross makes. The eat animation is really simple. The head just goes up and the mouth opens up as if it's eating a fish. And then the rest animation, it is a little bit buggy because the head, for some reason, rotates weirdly. So I just got to figure that out a little bit, but essentially it just sits in a position like this where the head is tucked in behind the wing. There you go.